What's up, everybody? Justin here from Launch Kits. We just crossed 1,100 websites being launched, and today I want to talk to you about how we designed a construction company's website. We've designed hundreds of them now, but I want to showcase a few things on your construction company website that you want to have to make sure people love you, to make sure Google loves you, and to help them be a pre-sales tool for your business. So, if you're in the construction space, people love big images. So this isn't one of the three keys, but just make sure you have really nice big images. Don't have a lot of blank space behind your text. All right. So here's one we built locally for Ironstone Homes. Here's the first thing: make sure that people know your process. Okay. So right here, first, kind of obvious click is what's the process like. Make sure that you kind of oversimplify your process. I know in the construction company space, there's a lot that goes into it, right? From reviewing plans and getting those preliminary sketches together. Do you charge per sketch, per revision? Is it you got to move out of your home while we do this? Is it you can stay in your home? Do you meet me over coffee? Do I come to your office? Like, what is the process like? Make that easy enough for people to understand. Here at Launch Kits, after building hundreds of these, we know from construction company business owners that when your website can take people a little further down the what to expect funnel, before I call you, here's how it's going to go, that helps you separate yourself from other people. Some people just have a Zoom or a Google Meets chat. Some people won't even talk about your project unless you come to their office. Some people differentiate by going to your site first thing. They make the time, you talk with the owner or you talk with the salesperson. Make that process really clear so people understand before they engage with you. Okay. The second thing is this: give away freebies. In the construction company space, everyone wants to be inspired. We've got Pinterest, Instagram, we've got all these before and after kind of platforms that you can easily show. So in this one on your website, give away something for free. And I'll go ahead and just give it to you. Look, if you enter your name and information here, make it an exchange. All right. In exchange for my email address, give me something cool and exciting that keeps me on your website longer. Give something away free. In this case, you can download all these cool plans to get cool house inspirations. Right now, the construction company now has my lead. They can follow up. Hey, Justin, did you see any plans you like? Do you want to talk about building a new home? What are you looking for? And right now it goes to the plans. Now, look, there's a risk, right? There's a risk they can take your freebie and go run to somebody else. But when you give away something for free, when you give away something valuable, then it starts to build trust. I was just at a marketing conference yesterday, and they said the things that work best are when you take what you give minus what you ask, and that quotient, that result, is something that is still of tremendous value that helps build trust. Sometimes people want to give something, but they ask for a ton, name, address, phone number, what kind of project you want to build, what's your budget. Okay, by the time you get to the end of that form, the people are just kind of, you've asked too much. And so you better give me something at crazy good value, like a gift card to a coffee shop. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so you've got to give away some freebies, okay? It's okay. They won't run to somebody else. You got to trust me. Got to take the risk. The third thing is what we call landers or landing pages or SEO specific landing pages for your services. So if I want to do additions and renovations here, I want to know a lot more about what happens, okay? And so what we do is we call it an SEO landing page. So if I'm saying like, hey, I want to renovate my house in said town, send me to a page that talks specifically about home renovations, which is very different than home construction from scratch. Tell me everything about what the process is. Give me testimonials specific to home renovation processes. Tell me exactly why you are the best home renovation company. So we call them SEO landing pages. They have lots of words. Like they have 1,200 to 1,500 words on the page, but you try and break it up, have very specific call to actions, answer frequently asked questions. Okay, these pages are what we call long form pages. So if you have a construction company and you want to make a great website, there are 3 easy things to make sure you include. Don't just hire anybody that says they build websites. Hire experts that know how to build websites for construction companies. Okay, so if you're in the home remodeling, renovation, custom home building, or additions and kitchen flippers, okay, make sure that your website gives away freebies, has very specific landing pages, and explain your process so that they can understand before they even reach out to you. Okay. If you have any other questions, we'd be glad to answer them. Whether you work with us or not, we want you to have a great website that works for you online. So thanks for keeping Launch Kits the highest rated web design company in America. We're here to help along the way. Thanks for the work you're doing, improving your communities and building solid, trustworthy homes that are going to last for generations. That is a life-changing impact on the community that you're making. And we appreciate and are glad to help you do that better. All right, take care.